What is up, guys? Welcome back. It is the next day here. Welcome back, Jet fam. Well, we had gone to the junkyard, guys, but to be honest, we didn't find nothing, no Rams at the junkyard, and so we just ran to our local automotive store and we picked up the fan clutch. We also picked up the fan blade. It's in one of these boxes. I think this must be the fan blade. This is the fan clutch, and this is the reservoir. This is the coolant reservoir. That's what it is. We're gonna get to it. We're gonna throw everything on. Forgot to tell you guys too. We just sent the radiators to go get tested. Hopefully the radiator and the condenser are okay. What is this? Fluid reservoir. Yeah, this is the fluid reservoir. To be honest, guys, I didn't even check it over there, but it is the right one. Good thing that we keep all the parts, guys, because the other part that came off the truck, the OEM part, actually did come with the same hose, but well, I mean, we got a new one anyways, so that's really good. Heck yeah. Here's the fans clutch, guys. This one's a little bit more tighter than the... Yeah. And good thing it came with its own nuts. Or these are bolts?
Yeah.
These little bolts. Alright, guys, and this goes connected to the fan blade.
Oh, this is all good. I didn't check out the auto parts. I should have, guys, before I would have came home. But, fuck it. That's how we do it. That's how we just don't give a fuck when we come home.
Soy tu fan.
But good thing it came all intact, guys. Everything is good. Should we compare the old one to this one?
Try to take off the other ones from the broken one to see how tight they are. Yeah.
But look, one of these fins is broken, the blade. I keep calling it fin, but it is a blade, guys.
Yeah, it's broken.
And what it says right there, that if this is broken, we have to replace it because it's just gonna keep tearing it up, and the other places that fly off are gonna come and hit the rest of the blades, and they're gonna get broken as well. Oh, it's pretty hard. Oh, crap, this is hard. It's pretty tight.
Damn, can't take it out now, dude.
Claro que sí, aquí estamos en Omega Sessions. Vamos a enviarles un covercito por ahí que dice por nombre El Poder. Saludos a los viejones hombres de Ley Viejón. Saludos, márcale, compa Foster.
Yeah.
Ese no me quiero apoyar mucho de los blades, no lo quiero tomar.
No, yeah, or it could hurt you down. Cut your finger off.
Now this goes up here. Oh shit, how good is it?
Oh, it's the other way, fool. It's the other way.
Oh, it is, huh?
Fucking idiot.
No wonder. We don't have to put no like lubrication on there or nothing like that, right?
Nah, the other one didn't have lubrication on it. We want some lotion. Keep her going. Keep her going. Keep her going.
But this doesn't even go that hard on there. Hasta llegado. Can't do it more. Okay.
Continue. What's next?
That's it. Alright guys, that's it. We're gonna go pick up the radiators and the condensers, guys. We'll see you guys in a bit.
What you doing, man?
Hey guys, how you guys doing, Jet fam? So we got the radiator back, but the little rubber that goes on here for the radiator support, it was broken. So we got this adhesive. It's some type of it's just for plastic. It was a two mix blend.
It's an epoxy.
Plastic bonder, that's what it is. JB Weld. So let's see this does the magic, guys. It says here we have to wait for 15 minutes. So let's wait on it. What's up, Jet fam? We just got done putting on the adhesive glue for the plastic, and let me tell you guys, it's holding on perfectly. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna mount the radiator onto the old radiator mount we had. Just meanwhile the new one comes in, guys, because we had to order that online. Since it crashed right here and the mount broke off, the back of this fell onto the fan blade, and that's what made the fan blade break. But good thing is that we have this old radiator support. That way we can mount it on right now and just wait for the new one to come in without hurting the fan blade.
I think you slid it in too much. You slid it in too much, I think.
What do you mean? This just goes like that? Yeah?
Yeah. Hey, what is up, Jet fam? As you can see, it is time.
It is time to smash the like button.
Oh, and hit that subscribe button.
And don't forget to turn on the notification bell, guys.
Make sure you follow us on our IG to get those sneak previews.
Yes, and as of today, as you guys can see, it did get very dark on us, Jet fam. But we did manage to put in the radiator, the condenser, but we did put it onto the old radiator support. But that's for you guys to stay tuned onto the next vlog. We'll catch you guys later.
Later.
Oh, well guys, please don't leave yet. I forgot to tell you guys, we did also put in 2 more quarts of motor oil because we were running kind of low. Later.